Hey y'all, Happy New Year! I hope you all had a very good Christmas and a good Thanksgiving and a Happy New Year Eve and a Happy New Year. Oh y'all, we made it out of 2020. I'm so glad we're here. And I really hope and pray that this year brings you all great health, many blessings in your finances, in your jobs, and whatever it is that you have going on in your lives. I hope that this year is really awesome for you. But yeah, as you can see, my hair is kind of curled because I curled it yesterday and I had the half up, half down style on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, this is my Instagram. Go ahead and stop what you're doing and follow me over there. But I had a request to show how I put my clip-ins in to do the half up, half down. And these are my lovely clip-ins. I got these from Amazon. I will link in the description bar where I got these from, and they're so soft, minimal shedding. I really love these clip-ins. Every time I wear them, people think that it's my real hair, and it's not, but I be like, thank you. But thinking in my mind, they think this is my hair, but this is not my hair, but I ain't saying nothing. But the secret's out. The secret is out. You know, I love y'all. Y'all my family, even though I haven't came up with a name for y'all yet. I want to do Nika Navy, but Rihanna has Navy, and I don't want her to get mad at me. But she might not care about sharing the term Navy for y'all. What you think? I don't know. It's a new year. My channel just needs to grow, you know, so I need to do something different, and this is a different video. So hey, let's get started on this. If y'all know a name that y'all want me to call y'all, let me know, whether it be Nika Navy, Nika Family, Nika Fam, Nika Tribe, I don't know, but y'all let me know. But yeah, so there's two ways you can do this. What I do is leave my hair down. That's one way. You can just leave your hair down and just part it and put it in. Or if you want to just have all your hair up, you can flat twist your hair and then layer the clips in that way. So yeah, we're not doing the flat twist part. I'm leaving my hair down, but if you do want to do the flat twist, feel free to flat twist your hair the regular way and pin the bottoms in to your scalp, pin them in, and then go in with that. But me, y'all know me, I just keep it simple and quick and easy. We're not flat twisting nothing. We just gonna part and go in. So let's get started. Okay, so what I normally do, are y'all paying attention? Y'all got y'all clips? If y'all don't order these clips, come back to this video and follow these steps. I'm telling you, it's gonna be quick and easy. So what I usually do is part out my top and just put that out the way because I'm gonna start in the back. So we're just gonna make a little part all the way to the other side. Just keep it going all the way to the other side. Child, my part may not be straight, but that's okay because that part, all this is gonna be hidden anyway by the hair. But just make you a part. Do I have my part? Yeah, see, part. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put this part up for now. So we're just gonna spin that around. I'm going to put a little clamp here. Boom. Next, you're going to take another little part. This time you want to kind of go a little bit because you just want to take out a thin section, because what's going to happen is this part right here, this thin section, is going to lay over the top of the last hair extension that you're putting in. Clip-ins, whatever you want to call them. This hair here, this section that we're parting out now, is going to cover over that at the end. So you don't need it to be too thick, just thick enough to lay over it. So let's go ahead and make another little thin part all the way across like so. Alrighty, and so now see, we have this little part here, so we're going to put that away as well. So we're going to just clamp that out the way because we're not going to need that until we're done entering in our clip-ins in the back. Now comes the fun part. Now let me turn around so you can see. Okay, so when you're putting clip-ins in, these are 20 inches. If you want it really long down your back, I would say start the clips down here. But if you don't want it that long, which I don't really like it too long, like all the way down my back, touching my butt, I don't need that much hair getting me hot around my neck. So what I usually do is start right up in the middle. Like I said, if you want it longer, put them in down here, but I don't do that. So we're gonna just kind of start right here and part. Now this is just what I do, y'all. I mean, if you like yours longer, by all means start in your kitchen area, but that's just not what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna clamp this out the way, right? So see, can y'all see, am I in the frame? All right, so like I said, I keep my hair down. So we're gonna go in with the 4 rows here, and it's closed now. So you open it and it has a little open. Can you see that? That's what you're gonna stick in your hair. Open them by just bending it. See, when you bend it, open. Bend it back, close. Bend it, open. So that's how it opens and closes. Can y'all see that? Open, bend, open, bend. So just want to make sure they're all open, and then we're just going to go in. You see how it's just down? You want to just slide that into your hair and push it in. Slide that in, push it in. Slide that in, push it in. All right, so now that first part is in. We're just gonna keep doing that. So we're just gonna make another part. Then we're just gonna go in with our next row of 4. What I usually do is I separate them out. You know, you wanna have your 4s together, which is 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 3. I really don't remember, but I'll have it listed in the description box. But it's like 2 rows of 4, 3 rows of 3, like 2 or 3 rows of 2, and like 1 or 2 rows of 1, where you can put the ones around the front. So yeah, like I said, I wore these yesterday, so they're already curled, so I ain't even got to do that. This is just to show y'all how you put them in. So you just want to go in, slide it in, push it down, slide it in, push it down, slide it in, push down, slide it in, and push it down. And your hair just blends right into it, like so easy, y'all. I need to invest in some of these to sell myself. So as you go up your head, you're gonna start going into the rows of 3, because you don't need the whole 4 row. I mean, you can put the 4 row up here and let it go from here to here. But when I get to about right here, I start going in with my 3 rows of 3. And now you're gonna take this part down that we were saving, and you're just gonna let that fall over the top. All right, and that's what that should look like. We're gonna move on to the top. Now for the top, I have 2 pieces here, and that's all you're gonna need for the top. Just kind of start towards the back and make a part. Make sure this don't get mixed into the back. Just put a little clamp on it. You're gonna take this, open it, the 2, and you wanna turn it to the back. So you wanna put this in like this towards the back, that way. Because when you brush your hair back, it's gonna blend right in and lay flat. Don't worry about the sides. You really want to focus both of these in the center of your head. So we're gonna go do another part. Gonna turn it around, flip it to the back. So now we can undo this one that we had holding to the back. This, and it's time to gather it all up. Now that we got it all gathered, we want to make the ponytail now. So the edge control that I use is a friend of mine. It's called Maintain Edges. Maintaining your edges has never been easier. I will have her information linked below. I love her edge control, but yeah, it's clear and I love it. So we're just gonna put some of that on our edges so that I can control these edges, child. Y'all know my hair is really curly and wavy, so even like edge control waves my hair up. So yeah, like I was saying, because my battery had died, no matter what I do to my edges in the front of my hair, it just waves up. No matter what edge control I use, it just waves up. That's just what it does. I'm gonna brush it and slick it. I like to slick it all back first before I make my baby hairs. Her edge control does not leave that white crusty. It don't leave that at all. So now I'm gonna go in with a little more so I can create the baby hair. Even though we're adults, we have baby hairs. So you can go in with a toothbrush, which this works, but I think it works better when you use a comb. So you just wanna go in like that and create the baby hairs. So you can't even tell that it's tracks in there. So you just want to make your ponytail. And I don't ever do it too tight. And then what I do is take a piece from the back here, which is my hair. And you want to spin that around until you can't spin it no more, and it should stay. Just tuck that up in there. You don't even need a bobby pin or nothing for that. And then you want to just pull your sides down. Then you want to pull your pieces in the front. See y'all, that was easy, huh? I want to make sure you can see the back. And I like to pull it to the front so you can really see the curls. Add this to the front, kind of fluff that up some. And that's how I do my clip-ins, y'all. I love them. Like I said, and this is just with my hair looking a mess. Like y'all saw how my hair was looking at the beginning of this video. And it just blends right in. Just think if I would have really like took my time and re-flat iron my hair, re-wand curl my hair, and re-wand curl this, it would look even better. So this is just something you can throw on. Like, I love this hair. It's soft. I've dyed this hair black. You can curl this hair, flat iron this hair. I really like this hair, y'all. So please thumbs up this video if y'all like this video, if y'all enjoyed this video. Ooh, throat dry. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. I'm about to actually make another video since it's the new year. I am going to make the video called Getting to Know Me Personally by Pieces of Nika. So be on the lookout for that video. That's really going to be for all my new subscribers. And for those of you who just really feel like you don't know me as a person or anything about my life or what I have going on, because like I said, we're family, and I just really want y'all to get to know me on a personal level as well as a business level for my channel, because I look at this as my business, just, you know, part-time, but I'm really looking to do this full-time. But yeah, so be on the lookout for that video. And again, I thank y'all so much for watching. Happy New Year. I love y'all. Check the description box to see where to find this hair, girl. Get you some clip-ins. I'm telling you, it's gonna save your life when you don't want to do a whole lot to your hair. Thank you, and I love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.